That little bumblebee. No! What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we're back with a rally reaction. Super excited about this video, guys. But if you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell, because we're on the road to 50K. And we cannot get there without you guys, alright? Join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. You love these.
Oh yeah, that's the one. I feel you. I feel you. Now that we know the power of the Audis, it's like it hits different whenever they come on the screen. And I don't think personally, you guys, I don't think I've seen one Audi wreck. Yo, he's just right on his side. I caught that. I don't think I've seen one Audi get in the wreck.
I can't really say.
I'm pretty sure it has, but I don't remember seeing one. Ooh! He ran for his life.
We don't even know what happened.
Whatever happened, he was running for his life.
Probably was coming straight at him. Oh, he hit something.
Okay,
oh, God,
okay.
Oh, that was close.
Oh, y'all barely made that one out. If it wasn't for that, they didn't move fast enough.
They wasn't moving fast.
It looked like they wanted to get hit. This is a good clean angle right here. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like this angle better.
Yo, he got good handles. Skirt, skirt. Ooh, yeah.
Was that intentional?
No, it couldn't have been. But he made it look good. Sound like somebody got more control of that one. Yeah, that driver could have handled that a lot better than that.
Yeah, see, I couldn't be a rally driver because I'd be like, oh, you okay? You okay?
Pull up, we gotta check on him.
My nerves would be bad.
Everything.
And he got back on the road like it was nothing.
Oh, you missed this one, babe. You missed that one, babe. Like, that caught it like it wasn't supposed to do the stop that it did, but it good thing it did. Look at that. That was clean.
That was clean.
Ooh. Just go ahead and brake.
Ooh. I love that.
That give me country roads all day right there.
I said there's a lot of those type of roads in Finland.
Oh well. That'd be the good shots they take too. Oh, speed. Speed. All day.
Oh my lord. Oh, I wish I would have watched that. There go your slow-mo, babe.
Yay! And it's in the Audi. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, snap. They sound like dirt bikes.
Oh, they do, huh?
They sound like dirt bikes. That's what they sound like. Man, that is just nice, bro. His color in that snow. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Oh, he did that.
Yeah.
On my edge.
Yeah. Ooh, Need for Speed. That driver is okay. I'm guaranteed this driver is okay. But the accident itself,
Is that his engine?
the whole front came off. The whole front came off.
Oh, that's about a wreck.
Now you have to be going really man, you have to be going really fast for that car to the whole engine to blow out like that.
Must have hit something at the right angle.
That little bumblebee. No! Don't move the car. Yo, he went right on top of him.
Ooh!
That was nice.
I ain't never seen the car.
It's almost like a setup.
I was about
Chuck's
to say
fucking
that.
mad, bro.
Like that was a good job.
It was a really good one.
The people helping the car. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Help
man.
the driver, Lord. Help the driver.
Yeah, I like that. Let's go. Woo, there he goes side driving.
I just love the way the dust
Compliments the
blows.
car going at a speed that it's going.
Yeah.
That's a woman.
Yeah, the pace reader, co-pilot. Ooh, that was an animal, I think. My nerves is too bad.
He had to
be
tell her
reading
to keep
notes.
talking.
Yeah, my nerves would be too bad to be.
Yo,
reading
and this
those
the
notes.
whole time that they in his vehicle.
That's GroupB right there.
You know it. You know it.
Ooh, close call.
Hey, I'm falling. I don't care how far he is from me. I'm still fall. I'm just like, yeah, that was too fast.
Them people must got good insurance.
Oh!
You don't make it no better.
Oh! Look!
No, look.
It was a fire. The car blew up and caught on
I
fire.
closed my eyes for a reason. I didn't need to know.
Yo, I tried to tell her to watch it back, but I don't know if she's gonna be able to watch
No.
this one back either. Oh, it's too wet.
Ooh, get out the way! It's a ball of light.
Ooh, golly. See how it fell. I wanna move. Oh, they quiet. They're a little too quiet. Horsepower, man. Oh, snap. Let's go. Let's go. Built for it. Built for it. Oh, yeah, that was a clean cut. He walked right on the edge of that one. That old school.
These little cars always make me laugh.
These literally the ones we have in our back pockets at school.
See, it looked like it could roll over so easily.
Like, yeah, really thin tires,
No, that's
too.
the ones we used to draw.
Oh, the little old school, the little box. He put a square in a rectangle.
Are you okay?
Like he pissed his
He
pants.
had to check to see if he still had legs.
Yo, or if he had leg. Who down there?
Uh-oh. Oh, Lord. That might be copyrighted. You dancing.
Man, hey, hey, bro, them epics again. Hey, I'm gonna need you guys to show me where the Audis mess up because I feel like they can't do nothing wrong.
Now you know our people are official. Okay,
Man, hey,
we like the Audis. We know y'all like the Audis, but look at this crash right here.
Hey, I try to tell her not every car on there is gonna be able to do what the Audi can do though. But I feel like the Audi is on there for a reason.
Yes, I'm just ready for my Audi.
It's coming, babe.
It's coming. But, okay, guys, this is our reaction. We hope you all enjoyed your time here with us. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. And we have enabled our super thanks if you would like to support our channel. See you soon.
Peace.